In this section, in this video, we'll learn about the Python math module. For that, just go to the IDE and help section and just click on the Python docs. So this is the documentation of Python. In the right hand corner, you'll see a module. So just click here and go to the yum. So these are all the modules that are inbuilt modules, and you can call the functions. You can work with these modules, and we'll see about the modules in later chapter. But just now, with working with the numbers, just click on the yum and you will go to the math section here. Math section, math section. So here are the list of functions that are inbuilt functions to work with the math module. So how to import or how to use this module, I'll talk about this in the next minute. But firstly, we'll talk about how to open a script. So we have just in the tour of the IDE, I have just talked about the how to create a new script, and just go to the file in new file, and just you have a script here. Just save a script for a time and just go to your Python disk, and this is a module. This is a module chapter, and just don't forget to write the extension.py. So module script is ready. So just type import statement. What will import do is take the module from the inbuilt module. So what is the module name is math. So module math has been imported in our script file. So we can use the maths statement or math module and call the functions inbuilt function. So for example, I want to use the math.cell. So math.cell can be called from the class of math or a module. This is someone calls as a module or a math. So math.cell is a calling and 2.888888. so just run clicking F5, and its process must be saved. And one thing we have done mistake here is not printing. So this is the most wrong we do often. Just print this statement and just click saving and 3, because it will increase what is the ceiling, means the uppermost value of 2.8. if it is more than 2.5, then it will give 2.8. so what about the floor? Ceiling and floor has the same, and just click F5 and it is 2. So floor means giving the lower value of 2.88 math functions or modules. So let's go to other modules like factorial, returning the factorial, returning the fsum. GCD is a just like a LCM, SCF and LCM, and is finite, EGNF, EGNAN means is not a number, and it will return a true or false exponential. And we'll see the power math. We'll see about the power. Just open a idle and create a module here. So what's about the printing statement? Print it that math dot power. Power has POW, and just power is x comma y. X means 2 here. 2 power 3 must be printed. It must be saved, and 2 power 3 is 8. So it will return a float value, not an integer value. It will return a float value. So similarly, square root. Similarly, a of cosine. A means arc. Arc of cosine means inverse. Inverse of sine, cosine. You can call math tan or degree, radian. All of the function. Yes means hyperbolic. Tan of hyperbolic, sine of hyperbolic. This all math.py. If you want to use the value of pi, so you can call math. So first you have to import math first, and you can call math.py. The value will be 3.141, and this is the value of math.py. This is the way of importing any module or a class, and this is the way of using the functions, inbuilt function or a data type. So these are the constants, these are the functions. So let me give you quick graphs here, how the functions will be called or how the functions will be revised. Firstly, you have to import something. Importing means taking the module or a class so that its data, its attribute or its value, its constants or its function can be used. And importing means, importing is to call the, why we should import is calling with its dot operator. Dot operator can call any attribute or any functions of that module. This is the way to import and calling the functions or attribute of that module.